And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Abra Sea Lions Halloween.
This is Sea Lion leader Molly Gregory with this week's announcements. The book fair is back. You have many opportunities to shop for your favorite books throughout the week. Valentine's grams are on sale at the lunch benches before and after school. You can make a purchase from Monday through Thursday. First grade is going on a walking field trip to the mailbox on Bosa. Stay safe and listen to your teachers. Sea Lion chorus rehearsal is this Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's be safe during drop-off. All students have earned a free sit at lunch on Tuesday. Let's be on our best behavior and enjoy this special privilege brought to you by the PTA and Jogathon. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. Keep practicing your dances. The PTA is happy to announce Family Fun Night on Thursday, starting at 5 o'clock. Come early to get a burger from In-N-Out, visit the book fair, and enjoy the festivities with your loved ones. Valentine's grams are being delivered on Friday. Happy Valentine's Day. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great day.
We have a very special announcement. You are our hero of the heart. Oh my God!
This month's topic is kindness, and we're going to teach you the 5 S's for making friends because that is showing kindness. The first S is smile. The second S is speak up. The third S is say your name. The fourth S is shake hands. The fifth S is seek something in common.
This week, Sea Lions, you're going to be trying to use the 5 S's and spread kindness. If your teacher sees you, you might earn a raw buck.
Remember, spread kindness like confetti.
But we're not supposed to do it.
I got a raw buck.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's kick things off by celebrating TK student from Miss Barr's class, Taylor Mossberg. She said that Taylor comes to school with so much excitement to learn. Her joy and kindness are contagious. Thanks so much, Taylor.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Hess wants to shout out kindergarten student Justin Prinz. She said that Justin was an excellent listener today during social lab. Way to go, Justin.
First grade.
Mrs. Gardner is excited for first grader Kaya Sublan. She said Kaya saw a ball that was left out after school and she returned it to the ballroom without being asked. That's how we take care of our school, by doing the right thing when no one's looking.
Second grade.
Ms. Angie wants to shout out second grader Holden Sun. She said Holden was able to focus and showed all around raw behavior, even though his classmates were being distracting. Thanks so much, Holden, for taking charge of your own learning.
Third grade.
Mrs. Espinosa was inspired by third grader Sloan Moldown. She said, I loved watching you be a teacher. Thank you for helping a friend.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to shout out 4th grader Ezio Vasquez. He says that Ezio is our newest teammate in the class, and Ezio does his best, especially when answering morning comprehension questions. Thanks so much, Ezio, for being a leader so quickly.
5th grade.
And finally, Mrs. Salmonis wants to shout out 5th grader Caroline Westrich. She said that Caroline grasped the concept quickly and offered to help others around the room. And that's what we need to do to keep each other locked into the lesson.
This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Islands. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!